Once you start thinking of video as a tool that can help you achieve certain goals, you may be tempted to dive right in and start creating videos just for the fun of it. The problem is, video takes time to create, and time is our most precious resource. So tip number 2 is be strategic about what videos you create and how you plan to use them. Let's say, for example, that you're an author and your primary business goal is to sell X number of books in 1 year. You think through how you're going to achieve X number of book sales within that particular time frame. Many authors do this by releasing a new book. So let's suppose a successful book launch is a key element in your overall marketing strategy. Once you have identified those key elements, you can take a closer look at where and how video can help you implement them. With a book launch, there are plenty of ways you could use video, such as placing one on a pre-sale page, where potential readers can sign up for your email list to be first to hear when your new book is released. This way, if you decide to use video, you'll be using it strategically to support and drive you towards your goals, not distract you from achieving them.